As of September 2024, NBC reported immigrant visa backlog of 385,800. This number shows almost no improvement whatsoever comparing to the immigrant visa interview backlog level about a year ago, despite the effort of backlog reduction was reportedly made. Many of you may agree with me that 2025 is a year of change to the US and the immigrant community. Hi. Welcome to Bon Immigration Channel. Today, I am going to lay out the factors that affect 2025 outlook of family-sponsored visa issuance in my analysis. Hopefully this episode helps you in some way. The first factor is federal government's H-1B employment immigration focus. President-elect recently expressed his support of merit/H-1B employment-based visa. This is good news to employment-based immigrant community but may not be as good to family-based immigrant visa applicants because the likelihood of leveraging a used employment visa is lowered. Factor 2, federal government's deportation policy. President-elect focuses on enforcement and deterrence when it comes to deportation of illegal immigrants with criminal records. The administration restricts asylum seekers and expands expedited removal. This may be favorable to both family-sponsored and employment-based immigrant visa applicants because more immigrant visa adjudication resource will be freed up and can be allocated to family and employment-based visa applications. Factor 3. Department of Government efficiency claims to cut federal fundings which may potentially impact Department of State and USCIS visa adjudication resources. There is great uncertainty in this area before inauguration. The impact to the state and USCIS will be clearer as things are unfold after January 20, 2025, when the 60th president is sworn in and the government efficiency recommendation is approved. The fourth factor that can affect 2025 family-based immigrant visa issuance outlook is that birthright citizenship challenged by President-elect who suggested issuing an executive order to end birthright citizenship for children of undocumented immigrants. If the challenge prevails, which is unlikely, it will reduce the number of qualified family petitioners in future. If you plan to submit petition for relatives, I recommend you take these factors into consideration when you make or adjust the petition plan for 2025 and onward. If your immigrant visa case is current for final action and documentarily qualified by NBC, your application is waiting for an interview appointment, where a consular office will adjudicate it. It is up to the U.S. Embassy or consulate to hold interviews. Whether Department of State has allocated sufficient resource to the local embassies and consulates to address severely backlogged immigrant visa interview demands has been a popular question in the immigrants community. The U.S. Embassy and consulate workforce data is not made public, which makes it hard to assess. Do you think 2025 will be a good or bad year to family-sponsored immigrants? If you have questions about your immigrant visa petition, please include the following elements about your case in your question in the comment area of this video. 1. Priority date. 2. Family-based visa category. 3. Consulate. 4. Documentarily qualified date. I hope you find some valuable information in this video. If you are interested in any other topics, please feel free to leave me suggestions in the comment area and subscribe to receive updates of my analysis. Until next time, goodbye.